Hello everyone, my name is Anand Suthar and welcome back to my LeetCode problem solving series. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 217 contains duplicates. In this problem we are given an integer array. We need to check whether any value appears more than once. If at least one duplicate exists, we will return true, otherwise we will return false. The most efficient way to solve this problem is by using the hash set, which allows us to check whether the element already exists in the constant time. Let me start. First, I'll create an unordered set. This will store all the unique elements which we have seen all so far. Now let iterate through the every element of an array one by one. Before inserting the current element, I'll check whether it already exists in the set. If it does, we have found a duplicate, so we immediately return true. Otherwise, the element is appearing for the first time, so we'll insert into the set. If we are checked every elements and never found a duplicate, then all elements are the unique. So we will return the false. And that's our complete solution. Its time complexity is ON because we traverse the array only once and each set operation takes the approximately constant times. Space complexity is ON because in the first case the set stores all the elements. And that's how we solve LeetCode problem number 217 contains duplicate using the hash set. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next problem.